Hi there, students. This is Mrs. Butters, and I'm going to talk to you briefly about how to write a thesis statement, which is how you start an essay with clear direction. So a thesis statement describes your topic. It tells you what the topic is about. Then it introduces a specific claim that you are making about your topic. Third, it describes ways in which you will support and develop your claim. So a formula that you can follow when you're writing a thesis statement is say the subject, make your claim, use the word because, and then talk a little bit about the support that you have for your claim. Previously in the module, you've decided what your claim is, and you've also looked at some of the support. So you can either say all of your support in your big long thesis statement, or you could think of one idea that all of those support ideas fall under. So again, we want to say your subject, then your claim, then the word because, and the support. This, of course, is a basic thesis statement. As you get more proficient with your writing, you're going to become more creative with the ways that you write your thesis statements. But for right now, this is a good recipe to follow. So for example, the Cardinals are a better baseball team than the Royals because they have won more World Series, have more loyal fans, and a better coaching staff. So let's look for the 4 different parts in this thesis statement. The Cardinals, that's your subject or topic. That's in red. Blue is the claim, are a better baseball team than the Royals. Then in green we have the word because, and then support. This person's written a list of 3 different reasons. Reason number 1, they've won more World Series. Reason number 2, they have more loyal fans. Reason number 3, they have a better coaching staff. So now you're going to write your own. Write your own thesis statement about which cookie is better, Oreos or Chips Ahoy. So don't forget to use the 4-step formula. First, your subject. So you might say Oreos are the best cookie. The claim is already part of your prompt, right? Which one is better? Because, and then some support. So for example, I could say Oreos are the best cookie because they have chocolate and vanilla flavor. I could also write one that says Chips Ahoy are the better cookie because who doesn't love a chocolate chip cookie? Okay, so those are some examples. Okay, now it's your turn. Thanks.